Hello, welcome to the Groomsman. I'm Fayiz, I'll be your host today. Today I'll be using Barrister and Mann Lavender soap and aftershave in the omnibus base. And there are some of the scent notes. And the razor today will be the Yates Precision Manufacturing 921EH in titanium. It came as machined, but I polished it myself. It came out very nice. Got a brand new Gillette Platinum blade in it. And I'm also going to be reviewing the Yates Precision Making 3D Large Bowl. And I've got the soap scooped in there. And I'm going to lather it, and I'll be right back. Forgot to mention, the brush is the Chisel and Hound. I put the exact name on here, but it's a nice Brazilian wood. Love this brush. It's become my favorite brush, with a Venturi or not. So now I'm going to lather it, and I'll be right back. Alright, now that I've got it lathered, I'm back, and I can go ahead and apply it. Got a nice creamy lather with the omnibus base. Love this base. It's probably my favorite lather that I produce. It's very easy to work with, and it just makes a very creamy lather. And as you can tell, lathered up very easily and nicely. Well, you couldn't tell how easily it was, but it lathered up very nicely in the Yates bowl. It was very easy. I'm used to the Phoenix shaving bowl that I put a dog lick mat in, and this is a big bowl. Look, it's not as tall as the Yates, but it's close, and it's a lot wider. And I am used to the wideness of this bowl, and I like how much room is in that bowl. But it's a heavier bowl, and I just wanted to try something different, kind of support a small business like Yates and their partner for their 3D bowls. Plus, it'll be good for me to have this for traveling whenever we go places. Alright, Yates 921EH titanium. Brand new Gillette Platinum. You guys have seen me use, and a few other groomsmen use, that Yates with the stainless steel. I think I'm the first one to use the titanium out of all of us. And it's a very nice shaver, sorry. The stainless steel is a great shaver. And if you're on a budget relative to getting like a titanium, which is a little bit more expensive, I do recommend the stainless steel. But I've used this titanium now several times since I got it early last week. And within that time frame, I have actually sold my stainless steel Yates, which I do love, and but I love this even more. Which is interesting because I'm more of a I've had titanium like Henson's and timeless razors, and I think of one other one, but I prefer the stainless steel weight. Or brass or copper, you know. I'm usually not an aluminum or titanium guy. But every time I use this, first of all, there's good weight and balance to it. It feels premium even without that weight. You know, even without the stainless steel, brass, copper premium weight that you get, it still feels premium. To hold, and it's very well balanced. I've got the 3.25 handle on the Yates. It's the Yates handle, and it works perfectly for me. Now the Yates handles probably aren't the prettiest, you know, compared to like a timeless or carbon or the blackbird handles. I like how those look, but they function well. They feel good in the hand for me. Depends on what you want or need in a handle. And yeah, I like it. So the shave quality though is, got soap in my eye now. It's super smooth, but the EH is also very efficient. You definitely get blade feel, but it's not menacing by any means. I think the combination of the lightweight and the high efficiency and the blade angle, however they do their geometry on their head, makes it a very smooth and efficient shaver for me. Like, I never feel like I'm in danger of nicking myself. Even over bumps, it's rare that I would catch those with these. So something about this titanium razor specifically I really enjoy. I probably compare it to the safe nature or feeling of a Henson, which I really didn't care for that much, with the efficiency of like a Blackbird, and the blade feel is slightly less than the Blackbird, and it's smoother than both of those for me. Going back to the soap, I used the lavender scent, and it's my favorite lavender scent I've used. I think it was Matt Fox that kind of put me on it, because I was looking at this one or the Phoenix Shaving Lavender Planet, or Planet Lavender, whichever way it goes. And Matt Fox sent me a sample of that one, of the PA one, and it smelled good. But Omnibus is my favorite base, so I went with that, and I don't regret it at all. It smells excellent. It's nice, calming. I tend to like to use this on days, and it's not like a conscious thing. I just do it like innately. Like, I just don't think about it, and I just gravitate towards a lavender scent after a stressful day. On my head shaves, which I usually do at night, I usually use a lavender scent because it's calming for me. The essential oils of lavender, I mean, it's a known thing. It's very calming, and I agree with that. I love that scent. So, I really love this lavender scent. Barrister and Mann, Will at Barrister and Mann did a great job putting this together, and I'm excited for their, I think it's going to be called Lavender Interrupted, which is going to be a cologne type lavender scent that's coming out, I think, in June, when the Maggards, they're going to release it at the Maggards meetup in Michigan, which Adam is going to. He got tickets and everything. Try not to eat the lather. I forget what the date is. I probably put it in here if I remember. I love this brush. This is my first wood based brush, and my first one with the Hound, which you guys know I'm a dog person. So I love this brush. It's nice, weighty feel. Like, I love my Chisel and Hound brushes. So like the resin ones are really nice, but there's something about this nice wood that's hefty, feels good in the hand. This specific wood will patina. It will change with your oils and water and stuff, so I'm excited to see what that looks like. And to show you guys how much I love this lavender scent, I mean, I use it regularly, it's a great scent. And it says scent notes of lavender, bergamot, and geranium, and I'm sure there's other things in there. It's a lavender. It's a powerful lavender scent. Scent strength is probably a 6.5, maybe close to a 7 for me, which I love, obviously. Going against the grain. Yeah, this is just a safe feeling razor. I've still got the stainless steel base plate and the H plate. Because I do like that base plate sometimes, especially on my head. I have used this EH titanium on my head shaves, and it's awesome. Like, again, it's super safe, not likely to nick myself, and it's just super smooth and efficient. I get easy BBS shaves with it, but with never feeling like I'm gonna nick myself. And it feels agile in the hand because it's so light. I think they say it's like 46 grams or so on their website. And it matches well with every blade I've tried in it so far, which mostly have been the Nasset and the Gillette Platinum and the Gillette Silver Blue. I do plan on using a feather in it soon. Just filling around. And that's like 99% good. I always have a trouble spot right here on my jawline, on my neck. So I just touch that up. Have you guys used this titanium razor? There aren't that many reviews on YouTube. So let me know in the comments. And also, what kind of lavender scents do you guys like? Because there's not that many. I mean, there's a few. But let me know what you like for lavender scents. I've got a custom one I got made by Irina at Ginger's Garden. That smells really nice. And then I've got this one and the Southern Witchcraft's Gathorm Tonstrina is lavender. It has a good lavender presence for me, so I like that a lot, and I'll probably use the EDP off camera with that one today. Alright. Rinsing off with warm water and then cold water. Yeah, my skin feels great between the combination of the razor and this omnibus base. As I was rinsing it off, and I'll just put some of this Dickinson's Pore Perfecting Toner, which is just witch hazel. I don't know what's so special about it. It's just fragrance-free witch hazel. Yep, very good BBS shave. Never a problem with this razor. I don't know how they do it, but between the head geometry and the lightweightness of it, it's just perfect for me. All right, let's do a review while this dries, and then I'll put the splash on. So use the Yates 921 EH in titanium. Beautiful, smooth shaver. One of my top fives as of right now. You know how that thing can change, but definitely a top five shaver for me. I've got Barrister and Mann Lavender and the Omnibus base. Great lavender scent. I had it lathered up with my Chisel and Hound brush with a Venturian knot. Lathered up very well in my Yates 3D bowl. I went with the large one. There it is. It's got a nice flare, so when you lather it, you're not likely to bang your your brush to the bowl. So I like that feature a lot. And the EDP is going to be, like I said a few minutes ago, the Gethorum Tonstrina by Southern Witchcrafts that I did for the razor company, just until Barrister and Mann releases their lavender interrupted EDP or perform or whatever it ends up being. Shaking this up. There is alcohol in here, and I know that from prior experiences. I don't feel any alcohol burn. Just a smooth face. That lavender fills the room. That's a beautiful lavender scent. Now I do get some more. I get some of the bergamot and the geranium in the splash. It's still a lavender forward scent. See, there is alcohol in there, and I wouldn't, if I just put this on without knowing there's alcohol in there, I would think it was just a witch hazel based splash. That's how good my skin feels, no burning or anything. So yeah, comment below, let us know what you think, and see you guys next time.